Welcome back, and now a look at the other events in the state.
National Skill Development Corporation and World Skills of Australia have joined hands with Gesto to encourage the youth for World Skills competition. Jessica Martins recently visited Goa to encourage the youth. Next World Skills competition will be held in Sao Paulo, Brazil in 2015. World Skills International promotes vocational training. Jessica Martin gave a few exciting tips for restaurant services. The Goan on Saturday lucky subscriber draw for the month of November was held at the hands of Father Peter Rodriguez. Two winners were announced, Yokar from Ponda and Darren Dice of Fatima High School in Rivona. Father Rodriguez handed over gifts of September and October draw to Kuntalesh Faldesai and Marilyn D'Souza. They are the subscribers of the Goan on Saturday.
We had a draw for the month of November, which is and we had two winners coming in, because this time we had draws separate for the normal subscribers and we had a draw for the students as well. In the normal subscribers, the subscription number 1753 was the lucky number, and it went to Yokar Nutritions. This is a company in Ponda, and as far as students are concerned, the lucky subscription number was 386, and this was Darren Dice from Our Lady of Fatima High School, Rivona. I congratulate both the winners, and their felicitation will be taking place in the month of December.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Ranji Trophy Group C match between Goa and Tripura is poised on a knife's edge. With a full day's play remaining, Tripura need 184 runs to win with 8 wickets in hand. Goa, on the other hand, need to bowl the visitors out to force their first victory of the season. Goa lost a great advantage on Saturday when they were dismissed for just 177 runs in the second innings. A lead of 78 runs from the first innings took Goa's overall total to 255 runs. Tripura were 72 for 2 at stumps on the third day at Porvorim ground.
After gaining a handy 78-run lead over Tripura, Goa would have hoped to back themselves in a strong position on the third day. But what turned out in the centre was a poor show by the batsmen. Only wicket-keeper batsman Keenan Vaz made a contribution of note with 32 runs before number 11 Buddhadev Mangaldas made a quick-fire 41. He hit 4 sixes and 2 boundaries to bring some cheer to the disappointed Goa fans. Pacer Harshad Gadekar once again gave a good account of his batting talent with a patient, unbeaten knock of 20 runs. Buddhadev and Harshad put on crucial 56 runs for the last wicket. Tripura lost both their openers before the end of third day's play, with Gadekar and Amit Yadav picking 1 wicket each. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.